Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to follow everyone from Instagram on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to follow everyone from Instagram on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to follow everyone from Instagram on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to follow everyone from Instagram on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Following everyone from Instagram on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will follow everyone from Instagram on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this new screen click on world icon in the left top corner, and then click on profile you follow option, and now in this screen click on see all, and now here are my all Instagram following accounts. Now just click on follow all and then confirm it. So there you go. If you were wondering how to follow everyone from Instagram on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.